guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going in a little bit of a different direction. We are going to be putting together a gender reveal box that you can send out to family and friends who are long distance but would still like to participate in the gender reveal of your babies. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing that we're going to be using are these U-line boxes. They do measure a simple square 6 by 6 by 6. I ordered these off of Amazon. They came in a 10 pack for about $12. So this is what it looks like once it's assembled. It's actually a really nice size for what we're going to be using it for, and it's also a nice size to ship. Now for everything that's going to be going in the box, I do have these gender reveal stickers. One says Team Blue, one says Team Pink, that they can just peel and stick onto their shirts. I also picked up these little bottles from my local party store. And what I like about these is that the lid is detachable so that you can go ahead and put any type of filling in the bottle that you want. I also picked up these pink and blue bears. They came in a mixed pack of about 200. I also got those off of Amazon for about $10.99. And these cute pacifiers, I also got these from my local party store, same place that I got the bottles from, that came in a pack of just pink and blue. So I bought 2 packs of those. I don't remember how much I paid for them. And then I also have these mints that I picked up from Party City. They are gender reveal mints. They are just plain white on the inside, but they do say girl or boy on the outside of the packaging, which I thought were cute. And the last thing that we're going to be putting in these are these Tutti Fruities that I also picked up from my local party store. I did buy 2 packs just so that I can get the blue and the pink coloring. So the first thing that we're going to do is cushion our box. So I'm just filling the bottom in with a couple sheets of tissue paper just to get the items lifted off the bottom of the box so that they don't move around as much during shipping. So first we're going to start off with filling the bottle. So originally I had put the bears inside the bottle by themselves, but I felt like they moved around too much and the bottle seemed really empty because they only filled it about halfway and I want them to sit towards the top of the bottle. So I went ahead and took the extra tissue paper that I had and cut them into squares. Once I got those cut, I crinkled them up and I put them inside the bottom of the bottle just to create some lift so that the bears wouldn't be sitting on the actual base of the bottle. Now what I did like about putting the tissue papers in there is that once it was in there, it actually looked like milk, which I thought was pretty cool. Now these bottles, they do also come with a pink rim, or you can also get them with a blue rim. I'm not sure if you can order these offline. Mine was just one of my local party stores that they're not a chain, so it's only located out here where I'm at. So once I got the tissue paper in there, it was then time to put the bears in there. So that was pretty much the only thing that we had to assemble, so we can go ahead and start putting items inside the box. I went ahead and spread the mints around in there. I loosely put the pacifiers in there along with the stickers. I did put enough stickers in there for the family who was going to be opening the box. And with the Tutti Fruities, they are a soft candy and I'm shipping from a hot area, so I did not want them to be in the box loose just in case they melted or anything. So what I did was took a piece of tissue paper and I cut it diagonally. I only needed 1 sheet. It was definitely strong enough to hold the candy, and then I went ahead and just folded it up so that it made a cute little pouch at the bottom of the candy and then made a nice crinkle effect at the top of the excess tissue paper that I had. To secure the package closed, I went ahead and just took some simple ribbon. This is ribbon I just have laying around my house. It's the same one I use for Christmas when I'm decorating, when I'm wrapping Christmas presents. This definitely was a two-person job on this part, just having to keep the package closed so the candy doesn't come out, and then also getting the ribbon tied around the package. So this is what it looks like with it fully wrapped in the candy. Now these boxes can be customized to anything you want. If you wanted to send them as an invitation to your baby shower or anything, you could easily do that. You could also use them as bridesmaid or groomsman proposal boxes just by changing the contents of what's inside, but they were pretty cheap to ship and they were fun to make, and everyone who we sent them to enjoyed them, which was nice. So I did make my own invitations. At the bottom of the invitation we had a link because our gender reveal was completely virtual, so people could tune in on their own time and they can enjoy the contents of the box while they were waiting. So that is it for this gender reveal box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Bye!